Bum
Bum.
tête
Tête.
moi.
Moi.
Bum tête moi. Bum tête moi.
Bum tête moi.
Okay, yeah. Bum tête moi.
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 That's what it means is you're too loud, you're being too loud, and they just want you to shut up. I forgot her
Bum
name.
tête moi.
Oh. Excusez. Ma tagou lan vidéo. Bakout si wap wè vidéo.
I'm gonna use this all the time.
What? You gonna use that all the time? Yeah, bum tête moi.
Bum tête moi.
Good job. It means, pretty much the accurate way to say it is like, give me my head. There's this girl on TikTok. She's so good. She's giving like all the Haitian expressions that Haitians are using, like Wakon George, bum tête moi. Like she's hilarious. I'm gonna tag her in this video. I'm gonna tag you out here now. So she's literally like, she knows all the Haitian expressions and she's Haitian American and the way she's describing it in English is just hilarious. Okay. Merci d'être regardé. Nale.